Hey everyone, this is Mike Bond with Hard Money Mike, and today we're going to go over one of my favorite loans, and that's a loan to fix a stalled project. You know, this project that will run out of money before they run out of work to do, so they can't get them on the market or they can't get them refinanced into their permanent loans. And they just sit there and stall, paying out the first lender over and over, month after month, paying them the interest, accumulating taxes, accumulating interest. That's what we're here for. That's what the loans we love to do. We don't care if they're second, third, or fourth. As long as they're a good deal and we're in a good loan to value, we'll look at those. What does this look like? Let's look at a couple of examples of loans we just closed where we funded projects that stalled. Project number one that we just funded was the funding of the escrow, the money to fix up a property, even though the first lender, in this case it was a fix and flip lender, was a big national fix and flip lender who had all the money sitting in escrow, but they wouldn't release anything until he got partial or most of the properties done. Unfortunately, this is a fix and flipper who has multiple properties, so he doesn't have a lot of extra cash flow to put into starting a project. He set this loan up thinking he was going to get money from, this national fix and flip lending company. But after 2, 3, 4 months of fighting with him, he just decided to go get a loan with us. We funded the whole thing just because he had another property to put a lien on. So we funded the whole escrow so he could just get it done. He could just get it finished without any delays. It's spring. He needs to get that property done and on the market. And then once he's done, the other company is going to release those funds from the escrow, pay us off. He is happy. The project is not stalled anymore. It's on the market and it's getting sold. Loan number two that we just funded, that was for a stalled project, is what we see so much. It's just a fix and flipper who is either under budget or prices have just escalated from the materials to maybe the work, or just he opened something up he didn't notice that was there before and he didn't have the budget. So we come in, we give him the money. In this case, it was somewhere between 20 and 25,000. We don't know yet. We did a loan for 25. He's hoping he only needs 20, but we set it up for 25. That allows him to get the project done in 3 weeks. That's his goal, is to get it done in 3 weeks, get it on the market well in the springtime. He does not want to keep piecemealing this, meaning finding money here and there to put into the project and maybe miss the spring market. So we were able to come in, put a second on his property behind a fix and flip loan because we were in good values. It was a good property at a good loan to value. We were glad to help. There's many times when projects just stall because of lack of money. It might be even a development property. It may be something that you're fixing up to rent, but you need to get the last few things done so you can get that permanent loan. Whatever it is, wherever your project stalled, we'd be glad to help you get that project moving and onto either being sold or refinanced. So if you're looking for help with a stalled project, need a loan, reach out to us. Maybe it's a stalled project, maybe it's even a usage loan, whatever it is, reach out to us, see if we can help. As long as it's a good project, with a good loan to value, we are here to help.